Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video, first video in my new mini series that I plan on starting, each Saturday I'm going to upload a how-to tutorial type video showing you guys how to do different things to your Kodi build. So in this first one, I'm going to show you guys how to add backgrounds to your Kodi build. It's pretty simple. I'm going to be honest though, it's a lot faster and easier to do this on a computer, but you can definitely do it on a Fire Stick or any Android TV box. Now if you just have a remote and not a wireless keyboard and mouse, again it's going to go a lot slower, but it can be done. So as long as you have ES File Explorer installed on your device, you'll be able to do this. So the first thing we want to do is open ES File Explorer. And then the next thing you want to do is go over to the side menu and go all the way down to the bottom to where it says show hidden files. Turn this on, make sure it's enabled just like mine is right here, and this way we'll be able to see the .kodi folder in order to add our backgrounds. The next thing you want to do after you enable show hidden files is come to local, click on that, click on the second home, then you want to click on Android, you want to click on data, and you want to go down till you find org.xbmc.kodi. Go ahead and click on that, and then you want to click on files. Right there is our hidden .kodi folder. This is why we needed to enable the show hidden files. So you just want to open up this folder, so click on it. And then what I do for all my builds, I've already placed some backgrounds right here. Obviously yours will not have this, you will just have these folders right here. But for all my builds, just to make it easier, I always go into the user data folder. So click on user data, and then in here we need to create a new folder. So come down here, right here, click on new, and then we want folder, and I'm gonna name it backgrounds. Whoops. So there we go. Once you name your folder, you can name it whatever you want. Backgrounds, I just make it easier. So there, now we have a backgrounds folder inside of the user data folder. This is where you're going to place all of your backgrounds. So let me go back, and these backgrounds I already have, I'm just going to copy them and paste them into that backgrounds folder. It's best to have your backgrounds, the dimensions 1920 by 1080. It fits best and looks the best, but if you can't get those dimensions, it's fine. But if you can, definitely get 1920 by 1080. So I'm going to copy these, I'm going to go back to the user data folder, and then I'm going to go to the background folders, and now I'm going to paste my backgrounds right in here. So there we go, I got my backgrounds pasted. So now I'm going to open up Kodi. And now I am doing this on the Aeon Nox skin. It's pretty much the same steps if you're on Xonfluence or any other skin, but the layout may look a little bit different. So once you have your backgrounds in the folder, we need to add the special file in order to get our background. So you want to go to File Manager, you want to go to Add Source, and you just want to type this in exactly as I'm doing it. I'll have it on screen to make it easier. So type that in exactly as you see it, and then you want to click done. I'm going to name it backgrounds again to make it easier so I know what it is. Whoops. So there we go, and now it's in the File Manager. Now you can go back, you want to go to Skin Settings, set up the Aeon Nox main menu, and for the purpose of this video I'm just going to do it in movies just to show you guys. So highlight movies, go to select background, single image, and then you want to go down to backgrounds. Click on that. Then you want to go to user data and you want to click on backgrounds, the folder that you created. So go ahead and click on that, and then there are your backgrounds. So I'll just add this one, click on it, and there it is. Now it's in there. So now when I go back, it's gonna build the menus, do the skin shortcuts, and now when I go to movies, boom, there is my background. And you can do this with each menu that you want. But now real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how to add multiple images to your menus. So we need to go back to ES File Explorer. You need to go back to, just to make it easier, we need to go back to the Kodi folder. So home, Android, data, org.xbmc.kodi, files, and then we need to click on the .kodi folder. So here we are. So now what you want to do is go to user data, go back to your backgrounds folder, and then inside of here you want to create a folder for each menu. So movies, TV shows, sports, whatever menus are on your build. This is only if you want to add multiple images to a menu. If you just want single images, you can leave it just how I have it right here. But to add multiple images, we need to create a folder for each menu. So I'll just do movies again for this video. So go to new, name it exactly as the menu is, so movies, click OK. And then again, I'll just grab all of these for this video and paste it in there. So I'm going to copy all these. You can add as many backgrounds as you want to one folder. So I'll just add these 4, copy, go back up, open the movies folder, and then you want to paste all of your backgrounds in here that you want to show up on the movies menu. So there's that, they're pasted in. Now you can go back to Kodi. And now you want to go back to System, Skin Settings, set up the Anox main menu, Movies again, select background. This time we're going to do multi-image. So click on that. Again, go back to the backgrounds. And then you want to go to user data. And then your backgrounds folder. And movies is right there. You just want to click on it. And then click OK. There it is. Now it's added. So now when we back out, it's going to do the skin shortcuts. It's going to build the menu. And now on the movies menu, all 4 of the backgrounds will be in there, and they switch out, I believe, every 3 seconds. So I'll just show you real quick. Back out, it's going to do the skin shortcuts, build the menu. Now when we go to movies, as you can see, the 4 backgrounds are going to change. I think it's every 3 seconds. So there's the second one. There's the third one. And then the 4th one will come up. So if you want multiple images, you'll just need to create folders. So you'll need to create a TV shows one, live TV, urban, sports, whatever menus are in your build. If you want multiple images, you just need to create a folder for it inside of the backgrounds folder in user data, and then add your images to that folder, and then just follow the steps. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much how you can add backgrounds to your build. Again, you want to make sure the dimensions are 1920 by 1080. I find that that works best, and they're not stretched out or too small. They seem to fit best with Kodi. So if you can't get it like if you can't get 1920 by 1080, don't worry, it just might not look as good. But if you can get those dimensions for a wallpaper or background, that's what you want to go with. So quick little tutorial how-to video to show you guys how to add different backgrounds to your Kodi build. Again, just refer back to this video if you need help. You might need to watch it a few times, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. So I hope this video helped you guys, and stay tuned for the next one next Saturday. You guys can let me know what you want me to do a how-to video on next, and each Saturday I'll do a new one, starting from basic to getting into more advanced stuff to help you guys customize your build further to your liking. So I hope it helped you guys. Thank you for watching, And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. See ya!